Welcome everyone for our squad, 32-man squad for the July Test Series. Eroni Maui, Tobu Totoelau. Atunaisa Sokombale, Navatu Kumbula Umbua. Peni Rabai, Natuba, Taibungalei, Tailebu. Tevita Ikinivere, Nukuni, Onilau, Lau. Zuriel Tonyatama, Havana, Honombalabu, Lau. Se Matavesi, Molebu, Honombalabu, Lau. Luketangi, Vione, Nabukailangi, Lomaiviti. Tim Hoyt, Narvake, Nodo, Rewa. Isona Silasila, PCC, Bunda, Ba. Mesake, Wode, Narewa, Sikituru, Nandi. Temo, Maina Vanua, Tautata, Mbau, Tailebu. Tevita Ratuba, Andua, Dubu, Nanroa. Lekima Tangivalu, Maro, Naviti, Yasawa. Kitio ne Salawa, na moto Sikituru, Nandi. Elia, Vana Kaibata, na Bunisole, na Malata, Tailebu. Levani Mbotia, na Budini, Wanimala, na Tasiri. Pitaka Sokula, Budalebu, Korwalau, the Kaunrobe. Pedeli Yato, Narewa, Waidhomba, Nandronga. Frank Lomani, Nukmbalabu, Sabu, the Kaunrobe. Simeone Kurboli, Nambowalu, Ono, Kandabu. Semwai, Nukuni, Onilau, Lau. Caleb Mans, Raba, Sabu, the Kaunrobe. Azaya, Armstrong, Rabula, Kortolu, Mode, Lau. Chuta Waningolo, Navira, Raki, Ra. Chosua Tuisova, Wotua, Nailanga, Ba. Pilmoni Mbotitu, Naibilawa, Balibuto, Ba. Semiranrandra, Somo, Tabeuni, the Kaunrobe. Vinaya Hambosi, Nayawa, Chumbaiwai, Nandonga. Kalabeti Rabobo, Nandromai, Tuba, Nandonga. Celestino Rapta Manda, the Sele, Wenikeli, the Kaunrobe. Salesi Rayasi, Galikarua, Matuku, Lau. And Wate Karaulebu, Nrabualu, Nadeva, Kandabu. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, that is your 32-man squad for the Rugby Nations Cup July Test Series.
Mr. Joe, of course, exciting times ahead of us heading into July. On the 4th of July is Fiji versus Wales, a match anticipated, the first match for the Fiji Water Flying Fijians. Just for the media, take note that the match we're broadcasting it here in Fiji on the 5th. So if you look at the World Rugby pictures on the website, it should give you the exact time and date for the game whilst watching in Fiji. But for those in the UK, it's the 4th of July. Q&A with Coach. Question?
Coach, when are the players expected to come together to start training?
There will be no camp here in Fiji. So the players that are within Drua and the local staff will leave Fiji on the 24th of June, and then we'll assemble in Cardiff on the 25th. So going into that week, we'll be spending the weekend together before we start our campaign on the week on the Monday for the first game, the Wales game.
My TV question.
Coach, you've given us the balance of the boys from the Northern Hemisphere and in Drua. How hard was it to balance the team makeup from the group?
It was easy to select the team because the number one focus for selecting the team is performance and how they've been performance every week and week out and week in. So we've been monitoring all the players from Europe. We've got our lead SNC, Tweedy, who is in Europe. So he monitor all our players, and then he feed us back every week. Then we had our coaches meeting, and we monitor players, and then we bring him in the medical department so that he can monitor the injury and also monitoring the draw. So that's how we select the team. So everyone is, we touch base with everyone. We have regular meetings with a 50-member squad. So we I address them with the standard and where we want to go from here and the selection criteria, and if you've been dropped, we will still have meetings with you. Like today, an announcement today on Wednesday, I'll be having meetings with the 18 that have been dropped. So I stay connected because they are not been dropped, they are standby. Because any injury occurs in the first game, one of them will be, some of them already in Europe, and some of the standby in Fiji will be flying straight away to Europe.
Okay.
Coach,
Yeah, go ahead.
just, would you be able to mention who the captain is for the...
The captain is Terry Kuniberi, so he's been captaining the side, so not changing that. And then the two assistants is Temo Manabanua and Frank Romani.
July, question?
Coach, just your thoughts or comments on the selection of returning players like Yato, Randadra and Randadra.
Yeah, they are veteran players. They are veteran players. The reason they are selected, they meet the criteria, and they still playing top level of rugby, and they've been giving out big minutes in their game, and they don't have injury, and why not? And they matched my coaching philosophy, and that's why I brought them back in.
And Botti as well?
Both, yeah.
Fiji Village?
Coach, when will the team gather in Europe?
On the 25th of June.
So that's 2 weeks out of the game?
That's the Thursday, and then the weekend, and then the Monday when the preparation start for the Wales game. So we got 4 days to be together, then leading to the Wales game for that week.
Fiji TV, question?
So do you think that's enough time to get your players together and prepare for that preparation phase?
Yes, I believe so, because a lot of these players have been playing every week. The boys from Europe, they're still playing. Some of them are still playing rugby. And only the Drua is now finished their competition last week. So we will be monitoring them going down to 90 for next week. Because the Drua is only 10 players that have been selected for the 32.
Fiji Times?
Thank you, Coach. Coach, during the selection, was a cohesion and player familiarity something that you consider?
Say again?
Player familiarity, usually for the combination, did you consider that as well?
Yeah, that's the main point. You have to bring players who suit your game pattern. And now you can see there's a lot of players that want to create a brand of itself, a Fijian brand of itself. And all these 32, they suited that game.
Take 2 more questions and then we'll, yep.
Okay, I think Coach, how challenging was narrowing the squad down to the 2 players, given the depth of talent available?
As you can see, there's a lot of talent, but some of the players were missed out because of inconsistent of their performance every week, and some due to injury. So it was tough, but there are some other players out there we will consider later on the year.
I'm sure there's some questions offline, but we'll just go with the vernacular now, and then we'll have those offline questions. Yep, up to you.
And hindi mo makalangan the coach ng balatangan na sending taking a team and tuloy-tuloy sa ating
Sa may kadibagin ko na team na Little Subukarua, kita ang dami ko tikina na ambong na coaches kaya, at lead SNC trainer, at lead medical, at kindo pero naman India. Kaya kita sentami cuma na Vimara kita monitor takir na ngito era loreki na lebuning gito era gitoro chiko na Vimara vida na miniti era gito chikina na ro na lebu na area kito ware na me ninding take wala na lebu ni talent tu sama inding take na leton sub karua lutu to stand by kina leting kawal ke wala singa ka rusul kawa sa vakina bimbi bici ka rusul kawa ban chune ema lesinga na kito na dan na kena lutu lebu karsul kalima So we're going to go Europe sing kita chiku sarna dia ada men karusul kawan barumbuka so ada men baruai ni singatau karusul ka bitu tamata ke de mesa sample ke de mesa na chiku ke de men hotel chiku ke de na hotel ke de karusul ka bitu na singatau ke masa tiu sarkai ke na ni to prep me ada ni na singamoni chi ma ni Wales gitar ke na baruai.
Expectations of the teams that you'll be playing against?
Yun, na matingin gito na sot kay Wales, bat kay Jaws o England, bat kay Scotland. Na sarkila chiko na doropo na expectation bat kay na standard ka kimi sabi tawo chikina. Isin gito raro. Isin gito raro yo ambot ang gondo na team yung na kay assemble taki. Wabibin kel kautal mai sotali sa artuasin gitu tu na lomani bitan yang baki. Yun yung rei yang gitu juga bima or to botia ayato o matabesi semiran mai capan. Kemale mena yana fe mena merna komai. Minta punir langa na yang baki nimbulu. Darre da na batang ini yang gitu raka biar cukin. Se cukup bina sarana waktu baki nyaman.
Udah?
Mani, just on the logistics preparations, flights, travel for the players, like where is everything up to? Is it all sorted for the players?
Yes, for now we've sorted all flights, their departure. So we're departing in groups. Those that are departing offshore from New Zealand and Japan, and those that are departing from here via Hong Kong to Heathrow, then we'll meet and then we'll go to Cardiff. Then from Cardiff to England and Liverpool and then to Scotland, which will disperse back after this July series.
Naka, one question. Last one.
Just last one. Coach, how important is versatility in your selection philosophy? How important is versatility in your selection philosophy?
It is important because that's it will judge how the way we want to play and how we want to organize as a group. So bringing in all those players, it's not new to them to in this environment in the Flying Fiji. They already been there. They already done the job. A lot of them have played 3 World Cups, and that's why we need experience. We need talent. We need development also. Some new players like Sam White. Who is playing in New Zealand with the Auckland Blues, so he's the only uncapped players. So we are not just looking at three games. We are looking at the PNC, and we are looking at the 3 games in November. So the door is still open wide. People will be coming in. You need to perform, and that 3 days before the week they will be tested. If you are not fit to it, you'll catch the plane back. That's the message that's been going to them. You're not coming into the team, and then you start your training to be fit. And that 3 days going into that week of, there will be a lot of testing. There will be a lot of training. If you don't meet the criteria, you will be replaced for sure.
Now, we have coach, Naga, team manager for your time. Members of the media, that brings us to an end for this media conference for the announcement of FIJI Water Flying Fijians 32 members squad traveling to the UK to the July Test series and of course the Nations Championship. Thanks so much.